starting record. Okay, right. Today we will see how to create BI publisher report. In the BI publisher report, already you know RDF report, how to create RDF report, what we did. Just I will give the summarize for that. In complete pure RDF report, what we did, first thing, okay, build the query as per client requirement. All right, build the SQL query as per client requirement. Once your query is ready, then open report builder. Okay. After that, create data model. Create the data model. What you did in here, you are pasted your SQL query here, right? Pasted the SQL query here. Got it right? Once y is going to end up. Right. Now, once you are pasted your query, after that what you did, you are design their layout, paper layout in RDF itself. Okay. Create the design your paper layout. Design the layout. Design the layout. Layout using paper layout. Layout. Once it's done everything, after that compile and then save in your local machine, and then what we did here, once you saved, what we need to put, dot rdf, right? Now connect putty winsp and then move the rdf in respective path. Right. Once you moved, after that what we need to do, connect to the front end application, log into the front end application, okay. Once you log into the front end application, first one, okay, create the executable. What is the executable file name, sir?
RDP.
Executable file name. What is the executable file name?
Not RDP.
RDF name, report name, your RDF name.
Oh, that is the source, but it is RDP.
Your RDF file name.
Okay.
File name. What is the execution method? So in your practice, then only can able to know what is what. Okay, without practicing, you can't remember this. Execution method. Method should be Oracle reports.
Okay.
Right. Oracle reports. Now you create your executable. After that,
Okay.
create the concurrent program, then attach it to the executable.
Yeah.
Attach the executable to concurrent program. Okay, concurrent program. What is the unique queue here? Short name. Unique queue is concurrent program short name. Concurrent program short name. Understood, right? After that, you can give it your executable line name, you can attach it. And then attach the concurrent program to request group. Clear? And then,
Request group to the responsibility.
right, attach the request group to responsibility. Attach the responsibility to,
User.
right, attach the responsibility to user. Okay, and then switch to, 1 second. Hello. Right. Next, what we need to do? Switch to. Where did you add that? Which responsibility you are added your report? Any request? What are the users are requested that responsibility you are added, right? Okay. Switch to respective related responsibility. Respective related responsibility. Okay. Then click on view. Submit a new request. Submit a new request, SRS request. Okay, and then click on single request. And then click on OK, and then click on. Now pick your concurrent program name and then submit. Pick your concurrent program name and then click on submit. Right. Next, once you submitted, you will get the output. Click on submit. Click on submit. Then you can able to, once the concurrent program has completed, then you can able to see the output.
Yes.
Click on view output.
Yeah.
Click on output. This is what, sir? It's
steps to run that.
No. This complete steps related to pure RDF report.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah, right.
Say Oracle RDF report. Clear? This already we are seen in the first day. Got it, right?
Yes.
Coming to XML publisher. Tell me. Now, XML publisher report. So how we can do that? First, build the SQL query as per client requirement. Open the report builder. Create the data model. Okay. You paste the SQL query in that. Okay. These 3 steps are same, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, right.
Yesterday we did. Okay, try to understand. Did you create yesterday any layout in RDF level? No, right? No.
No, no,
No need
no
to
need.
create. RTF we created, right?
Yeah.
RDF and save, connect, login, application, executables, this and all same. Again, request group. Up to request group is same, right? These all are same. Understood? And then after concurrent program, just attach the concurrent program to the request group. After that, what we did, sir? Did you going to submit the program? Here it is concurrent program level. What is the output type? Output type XML.
XML.
Uh, Output type should be XML. Okay, that we selected already, right? Once your concurrent program has created, after that you are attach the concurrent program to the request group. After that, what we did yesterday in the yesterday session, you are going to submitting the concurrent program. Yes or no?
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
This is switch to that respected output. Now click on output. What type of output you can able to see now? What type of
XML
output
output.
is coming? Right, output is coming. Right, question mark. Here it is XML. XML. Next, what we need to do, sir? Save the XML output in your local machine. Local machine. Okay. Extension should be file name dot XML.
RTF.
XML. We are saving now. Okay.
Yeah,
And then open MS Word document, right?
yeah, yeah.
Open the MS Word document, and then load the XML data through add-ins. Okay, add-ins data, load data. Where? Understood? Once loaded the data,
Yeah.
and then design your layout. Design your RTF layout. Design your layout as per client requirement. And then what we need to do, sir, once the designing is done, save the layout in your local machine. Right? What we can save? How we can save? Dot RTF.
RTF.
Done. Now file name dot, any file name you can take it. File name dot RTF. Right. Now once you saved, then where we need to go? Now your RTF is ready. What we need to do now?
Go
Now
to
you,
XML.
right, XML publisher. Go to
Responsibility.
XML publisher administrator responsibility.
Yeah. Data definition and template you have to define.
Right, publisher, XML publisher administrator responsibility.
Yeah.
Administrator responsibility. And then click on home, and then click on data definition. Data definition. Data definition. Okay. Next, what we need to do? Click on create data definition. Click on create data definition. Sir, now tell me, sir, what is the code?
What is the unique short name?
Right, concurrent program short name. Program short name. Right. And then click on, once you fill all the details, then click on apply. Clear? Then click on template, or not click on, go to template. Okay, go to template, and then click on create template. And then what is the code? Concurrent program short name.
Yeah.
Ship is short name. And what is the data definition name? Definition name. Previously created data definition. Previously created. Okay, created data definition name. Definition name. Right. And then what is the browse file name? File name. Tell me, sir, what is the file name? Your RTF file name.
No.
That RTF file name. Yes, Vijay, just we are going to discussing about what is the difference between RTF report and XML publisher report. What are the steps we did on yesterday and before yesterday. Okay. Right. Now, what is the language? Language, it depends on English. Territory, United States. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
And then click on apply. Apply. Done, sir. Now you are applied. Next, what we need to do? Now we need to submit the program again, right?
Yeah. That concurrent program.
Yes. What now? Switch to now this. So now you understood, sir, what is the difference between normal report and XML publisher report?
Yeah.
Now we need to go for the BI publisher report. Why should you want to go?
Just one thing. When I'm saving the XML output file, the name should be the same short name concurrent program.
No. In your local machine, that is just for designing the layout.
No, XML output I'm talking. When we run the concurrent program, RDF, the output is XML.
Yeah, that only I am saying, that is not required. Actually, that is only for, okay, that is only for designing the layout. That's enough.
So no need to,
can you read this? No, one second. Here what I did, once you click on output, what type of output you will get? XML output. Save the XML output file in your local machine. File name .xml. Okay, open the MS Word document and then load the data through add-ins data, load data. That's enough. No use.
Okay.
After that.
Okay.
Now coming to BI publisher report. So in this case, RDF will come, report builder is coming.
No.
No, there is no report builder for this. Okay, understood?
Yes, yes.
So if a report builder is not there, so what we can do? What is the source for this? Okay, understood, right? Think it now. Now, if it is report builder is not there, what we can introduce? For this purpose, we are going to using the template, data
Okay.
template. Okay, using data template, using data template. Okay, we can create the report. Using data template, what are the things we can do? The data template level. See here, this is building a data template. What are the things are required? Okay, so this is what is the data template, how it is going to working. Is all one by one we can see. Right.
Mhm.
So now we will discuss one by one this. Fine. Now we can see. Give me a second. Fine. We will see now. Fine. Now see, what is a data template? Data template is nothing but it's a type of XML publisher related what the tags, XML tags we need to use. Okay. The Oracle XML publisher data engine enables you to rapidly generate the kind of XML data structure. Using this data template, we can generate PDF output, we can generate XML output, okay, you can generate a Word document output, we can generate .rtf output, different type of things we can do it using this data engine. It is going to internally, once you design your template, then you need to upload into the XML publisher level. So once you uploaded, when you are submitting the concurrent program, at that time automatically it is going to interacting inside and then generating it's picking the data from the database and it's converting into XML tags. And RTF it is going to doing, it is converting the XML data into normal output. Understood this one? What it is doing first, the data engine processor, it is going to connecting to the database and picking the data and converting into XML data tags. The data should be going to in between of the tags. The word
Mhm.
default RTF it is going to converting again, it is removing, it's filtering the output and it is going to showing the proper output again. Okay,
Okay, fine.
we will see now. Vijay, you follow, right?
Yeah, bro.
Right. See now. See, this will support to schema generation. Schema generation means you can able to run it for any schema. Different schemas you can run it. Schema is nothing but right. If it is what is the schema we are going to connected in this app schema. In the real time level we can see different schemas. Right. What is the schema we are connected here? Apps only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. Now this is app schema. If you go in the real time level, we can see the DAO schema, development schema, testing schema, production schema. Okay, UAT, user acceptance schemas. We have different schemas. We can that each and every schema generation level we can use it. Default RTF template generations. We can use flex fields. Flex fields means in Oracle level we have some descriptive and key flex fields. Those things I will teach you after this finishing. Okay, single and multiple data queries. Not only the single query, you can use it in different queries. Multiple queries we can use it. See now in the when you are going to doing the report, single query is there. If you have parent query as well as child query, at that time you can use the single as well as multiple queries. You can use the query links also. How did you join? Suppose you have a one parent query and one child query. The child query data is going to depend on the parent query. Understood? Suppose parent number is there. That parent number is belonging. It's related to the so many child records. Okay. The child records. Okay. The child records at the time what we can do. How it is going to filtering the data based on the parent ID. At that time we can give it the query links. Okay. Next parameters. Already you know this type of parameters already user parameters we are passing. Same thing we can pass it here. And aggregate functions as formula columns. In a RDF report level what we can see? Formula columns. Same formula columns we can use it. And even triggers. Yes. We have in RDF level we have some triggers before parameter
Report after.
form, before after report, before report. These all triggers we can use it in data model also. Multi-data groups also we can use. These all Unicode format output also we can see. Now coming to the date format, its date should be canonical date format in here. You shouldn't give to all the dates, it will not support. Okay. The data template should not support for all the dates. Only it will support for canonical date format. You need to follow that date format. Right. Now, how it's going to working? Oracle report files and then it is going to convert into PDF to data template migration tool. Here, one by one PLSQL developer code as well as XML data template, this is, it's going to pass into here and it's generated to the XML data. You will see it's a simple only, it's not that much of a critical. Okay, it's simple one. See here, this is the structure to define that. What we need to do first, we need to start the data template name of the template. You mean simple. Suppose your report builder name, module name we are giving right yesterday. Module name we are giving right. When you are saving RDF at the time, the module name we are giving right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This is suppose Vijay underscore rep we are giving. Same thing we can give it here template name for that. Data template name. What purpose we are going to create that template, we can give it into the description level. Where I am going to ending this template, this is a tag, right? You see, it looks like open angle and closed angle, right? Left and right closed angles, right? Those two. You are able to see, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
See, if it is like that, how it is means like this, sir. Okay. Now this is a
Yeah, yeah.
template. Suppose, see, template. It's a now template. What is this? Data template, sir. It should be same format you need to follow. T capital. If you give small, it will not work. Data template name. You can give it like this. Data template name.
The case sensitive.
Yes, it's a case sensitive. Data template name. So what we need to give? You need to give it into the your template name. Now, suppose this is going to PO analysis, PO underscore ANA analysis underscore rep. I'm giving rep. That's enough. Next, what we need to do? Description. Same format you need to follow. If it is next description, if you have description, you can give it. Otherwise, no need. If you need to close this tag also, understood, right? That is going to open. You need to slash and the ending of last one data template means you
Okay.
closed your tag data template. In between only, in the data template, in between only you need to do remaining all the things. See, next one what I did, here it is a description. If we have any packages, if you are going to using in that report, suppose PLSQL packages, if you are going to using any packages in the report level, so you can take it as a default package name you need to give, and the version should be 1.0 only. That should be mandatory. Here, template name and version should be mandatory. What type of version we are going to using this here? Version should be mandatory. Now it should 1.0. Okay, right. Next, what we need to do, sir? Parameters. The parameters you can start it. I'm going to explaining in the down each and everything. Okay, don't worry. See, as shown in the simple figure, the data template consists of the parameter section, in which parameters are declared in the child parameter elements. You can just read it. Okay, here it said data template required. Parameter consists of one or more parameters elements. You can use it. Okay, fine. Just read it this document clearly. Data source, see here, data source, how it is going. The main one is data template. Data template consists of parameters, lexical parameters, data query, data triggers, and data structure. Again, the parameter is going to divide it into the parameters name, parameter data type, parameter having any default value. Again, lexical parameters type, name, and comments, and data query level. Data query is going to consist of SQL query, SQL statement. SQL statement means your SQL query. If it is any links are there, okay, and then
Okay.
triggers. Name of the trigger, source of that. Source means your package. All we can do one by one. Right. Now just it's simple only, don't confuse this. Okay, it's simple one only. Already shared with this document. Uh, try to run through this document. I will teach you that one. If you have any questions, then we will see that document level. Let me start a simple one data query for that. Be a publisher one. Let me 1 second. Right here I have some standard one. Okay, this is the always preferable is, okay, what is the already what you have use, you can same thing. Okay, same thing you can use it. I'm going to starting mine. I know the query name, I know the query, SQL query. How I know? Yesterday we are going to create it some query for that. Where did you create? Let me open. Cleared invoices we created, right? Let me see. Okay, any query you can take it. That is as per client requirement, you can take it any query. Right, now see this. I open this. This is my query. Okay, same RDF I used it yesterday. Today I need to do it into the RTF. No, sorry, this BI publisher level. We need to create the data template for that. See now, simply I'm going to what are the things I need to do, sir? First, we need to install Notepad++. Okay, in the
Okay.
Notepad++, go for language and change into The language is going to change to 1 second. It's a yes shell scripting shell, not XML, not shell scripting, XML. Right. See, once you change automatically, it is going to change. Now take this one only already existed one anyone, and then you can able to change it as per your requirement. Right. Who are facing difficulties? Both are you able to see my screen, right? Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Vijay, fine, right?
Yeah, fine.
See Vijay, this is should be going to mandatory XML version 1.0 encoding UTF-8. This is the standard format we are going to following to develop this data template. Next, this is the comment. What purpose you did this? Okay. Now XXITC. What is that? APPO analysis report, right? AP underscore PO underscore analysis report. Okay. Analysis underscore rep dot XML. And then when did you do this? Understood, right?
Yes.
Today date. When did you do this? Today 2016. And then today date we can give it 01 or some date we can give it 04. Who did this? Understood, right? Who did this? Who is the other is doing? It's like a
Yeah.
tempo. Next give it, see this data template version, that name of the template. This is mandatory, sir.
Okay.
Okay, you can give it any name. It should be naming convention. Okay, this is my name. After that, what we need to do? Next we need to do this tag properties level, this properties tag unit, XML cases, uppercase or lowercase. This is not a mandatory. If you are giving upper, if you are not giving, automatically it will take upper. Once you will see the XML data at the time, all the tags are coming in uppercase. If you are giving lowercase, it will come. Next section is going to, now I am going to ending with this properties, the tag. Next I started parameters. Next the parameter name of the parameter. This parameter I am going to using in my report level. See, SQL
Okay.
query level I am using that. See, you are able to observe, right? This is okay. In this case,
Yes.
here I am using the parameter. That is the reason. Okay, that is the reason I declared. If I have more than one, you can declare it same way here. Okay,
Okay, fine.
and
Okay.
then I'm going to close that parameter tag. See slash parameters, and then I
Okay.
started lexicals here. Is there any lexicals are there? We can use it. Otherwise, just I'm going to ending with the tag. Next, I started for data query. The data query level, my SQL statement query name is Q1. In RDF also you can find in Q1, sir. See this Q1. In the same format query name, SQL statement Q1. C data means seeded data. Now I am going to my query. Right. I copied my query. Okay. This query already you prepared. Now I am going to pasting my query level, SQL query level. Just SQL query. That's enough. Forget about remaining all the things. Done. Okay. I pasted my query. Next, Did I have any one more SQL statement? No, right? That SQL statement is ended. That second SQL statement is not required. I don't have. That is the reason I am going to removing this remaining all SQL statements. Okay, fine, done. Now your SQL query is done. Next, what we need to do, sir? This is PO number. Copy your PO number and then go to here. I ended with the SQL statement. Why 2 is there? Only one statement we need to end. It's ended. Then data query also ended. Data structure is started here. In the my data structure group G1. Here also you can find G1, G underscore PO number. In this case, G underscore PO number. Coming to data template level, our new name you can give it, any name. Okay. Next, element name you can give it. Name of the element, PO underscore, value also same. You can give it both the same. Okay, I have only single group. That is the reason I'm going to taking a single group here.
These are what? These are the headings?
What?
These are the headings in the report?
Not headings in the report. See, did you find the group name as well as query name in RDF level? What is the query name here?
Q1.
Q1. What is the group name?
G underscore PO underscore.
PO number. As the same structure, what is the module name? Okay. Coming to module name is nothing but a template name, sir.
Okay.
Here. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Query name is that query name is nothing but a Q1 SQL statement name.
Okay.
Group name is nothing but a, see here, group name is nothing but a G1. Any name you can take it. It's respective to the naming conventions as per your report. Now for this group, what is the source? Q1. Q1 query only, right? For that Q1 query, what is the data type for that? Varchar 2. Now the query, how many elements are there? I mean, element is nothing but a columns.
Okay.
This is all. How many it is there? Total 10 columns are there. 10. That element name as well as source name both should be same. You can take it, no problem. Now I copied the element name, column name, PO underscore number, and coming to here, element name is PO number, value also PO number. What is the data type of particular column? Like that you need to do for all the columns. Did you find any difficulties here?
No.
PO amount, is it number or character? Varchar. Number.
Yeah, character.
Number. Okay. Right. Next, what is the column? PO type.
PO type.
Like that we can take. We can take it and we can map it like that. Both the element name as well as this PO type. Next, supplier name. Okay, it should be uppercase, now it will be better. Okay, supplier underscore name. Right, supplier name. Aliases should be take it uppercase most cases. Okay, and then supplier name. Location value also supplier name. What else it is there next? Supplier site. Supplier site. Copy that supplier site. Same scenario you need to do it in your case also.
Okay.
The same way we can follow. supplier side. What else next? Find it like that way. Supplier contact. Right. Now supplier contact. Now in the supplier contact here you can give it next is just replace the existing one to new one here. Contact. All are character only. Okay. If it is a date, sir,
Date.
date. It should be date. Invoice number. Invoice underscore num. Alias I am giving, sir. Okay. Invoice num. Invoice number is a character or number?
Number, it's a number. Invoice number is a character.
Character, not a number. Okay. PO number, character only. Next, invoice amount. Invoice amount. Amount should be number.
Number, yeah.
Right. Now you can go and then paste into. Next is this is. It should be number. Okay. And then what is next? Invoice date. Right. What is the data type of this, sir?
Date.
Date. Invoice date. It's a next is date. Invoice date. Same scenario, invoice date. Sorry, date. Date. Sir, if you miss it any single quotation also, it will go error.
Okay.
If you miss any tag ending, or if you miss any single character, single double quotes missing, or if you miss it, data query, Q is capital, it's a case, and if you put lower case, it will go into error. Okay, be careful.
Okay, fine.
So that is the reason I am asking to do it as a total number of suppliers. Okay, total sub. It should be careful when you are doing this. Next, total number of suppliers. What data type?
Is there a number?
Number. What is next? Total PO amount. Total PO amount. AMT. Right, it's the last column. Now your group is started. You need to end with your group, right? Amount should be number. It's a number. Now, right, this is next two. These two elements you can remove it, not required. Why I am going to end with my group? Already I started group, right?
Yeah.
The above. Why I end with the data structure? I started in the data structure top. Why I end with the data element, data template? I started in the starting itself. This is. Now I am going to saving my this RTF. How I am going to saving? Just save. Click on save as and paste your template name dot XML. Clear? It's saved. Your template is ready. Fine. Shall I continue or the next process, or we will take tomorrow? You want me practice this? Pardon?
Yeah.
Next, it's the
If you want, we will
registration.
continue for 10,
It's not 10 minutes. It
10,
will
15
take.
minutes.
It will take 1 hour again. 1 hour session. It will come.
Okay, okay, then tomorrow.
Yeah. Try to. Okay. Take it any one.